You have a smartphone and internet data. Then let me show you 4 tested and approved ways I personally make real monies online using just my mobile phone. And guess what? The last one is my all-time favorite. So watch the video to the end. Some of these require zero investment to start, just a zero balance and a dream. Number 1 on my list is YouTube content creation. People think they need expensive cameras, microphones, laptops, and all those fancy gadgets before they can start YouTube. Who lied to you? A friend of mine was making around $2,000 every single month from YouTube using just an iPhone 11 Pro Max, CapCut, and ChatGPT. No laptop, no expensive editing software. I mean, nothing. He doesn't even like editing on the laptop. If you have been following this channel, you've probably watched the interview I made with him. He even showed his YouTube earnings live on camera. His name is Kweku Africa. He's not just lucky. He's simply consistent and very hardworking. Remember, people don't subscribe because your camera is expensive. They subscribe because your content is valuable. Before we move on to number 2, this video is only giving you the keys. I'm not going to dive deep into each method. If you want a full video in any one of them, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, number 2 on my list is AI music. This one even still amazes me. Imagine lying comfortably on your bed and just be pressing on your phone, creating songs with AI, uploading them, promoting them, and getting paid. That's exactly what AI music allows you to do. I personally use platforms like Suno AI to generate music and DistroKid to distribute it to Spotify, Apple Music, and other streaming platforms. Everything from your phone. I've tested it myself and you can see my dashboard on your screen. Now, this is one small catch. If you want to do it professionally, you will need around $40 for subscriptions to the AI platforms and the distributor to avoid limitations and copyright issues. But once everything is set up, your songs can keep earning and paying you every month whilst you are sleeping. That's passive income. If you want me to make a full tutorial on AI music content creation, then comment AI music. Number 3 on my list is Forex trading. Now, before you say, oh, Chris, I don't even have money to trade, relax. That's not the key I'm giving you today. Instead of risking your own life savings, use prop firms. In case you don't know prop firms, think of prop firms as investors. I'll put some links of prop firms in the description. If you can prove you are a disciplined trader, they will fund you with accounts even ranging from $1,000 all the way up to $50,000 US and even more, sometimes even $100,000 accounts. Some prop firms charge around $20 to $30 to $50 and even $70 for their challenge account. So if you pay, for example, $30, then they give you a challenge account. If you pass, then they will give you the real live account, which will be around maybe $1,000 or $5,000 for you to trade. And at the end of the week, some of them you can even withdraw about 80%. You get 80% profit. So for example, if you make $100 profit, then you are going to get, let's say, around $85. Then they will take $15. You understand? So that's how it works. It's not your money, it's their money. The most important thing is learning proper risk management first. Forex is not gambling. You know, I've been watching some people trade and they trade like they are gambling. Forex is not aviator. Forex is not sporty bet. Alright, it's a skill. And the moment you learn the skill, it's going to pay you consistently. Number 4, that's my all-time favorite, and that is online teaching. And honestly, it's the one I'd recommend to almost everybody. If you can teach English, maths, graphic designing, music, cooking, programming, website developing, or almost any useful skill, then people are willing to pay you. I personally teach online using Preply. For me, I teach video post-production. So even when you go to the video post-production on Preply, we are about 39 tutors. It is not even saturated. You will see me over there. Students all over the world book lessons directly with me. Everything happens online. And yes, you can do it with just your mobile phone. So you just type www.preply.com and then you use that website. But if you were a student, then you can download the mobile app from the App Store or the Play Store. But if you're a teacher, I recommend you use the website. You don't need a laptop. When you use the website, now you can log in over there and teach your students with your mobile phone. So, you already have the product. That is your knowledge. I've already made detailed videos explaining about how to even get started on Preply. So as for that one, even if you comment Preply, I'm not going to do another video. I've made about 2 videos on it. Just that you don't follow me. You don't even subscribe. So how are you going to get that information? Every day I say Preply, Preply. Oh, check the videos. You just go through. You will see 2 videos on Preply. I run you through the step-by-step of getting started. So there you have it. 4 real ways I personally make money online using my smartphone. Number 1, we talked about YouTube content creation. Number 2 is AI music content creation. Number 3 is Forex trading. Number 4 is online teaching. Your phone is either making you money or wasting your time. The choice is yours. In case I get any updates, those who are waiting for the arbitrage, relax. Don't worry. The arbitrage opportunity, the moment it comes now, I go drop the key. So don't worry. I'm still testing systems and all that. In case there's any update in the future, I'm going to bring it to you. So if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share to your friends who actually need help, especially students like high school students and university students. Some of them actually need these keys to make real monies. And I can confidently tell you that some of these keys has been a lifesaver for some of my friends. If you won't do it, be there. Why? I come to your bed. Peace out.